America runs on hard work, and here in Utah, that work is powered by shops like McNeil's, places where skill, training, and dedication drive every repair. For more than a century, NAPA has stood behind the pros who keep America moving. Today, we're meeting a shop that didn't just rise to meet the industry's challenges, they helped reshape the future of it.
So McNeil's was started in 1983 by Mike McNeil. He had been working in the dealerships for many years and decided he wanted to start his own thing, take better care of some of his customers, and started from there. He moved through a few shops until eventually in 2006 opened the main location that we have now. Shortly after that time, there was some turbulence.
A tough stretch didn't slow them down. Instead, McNeil's rebuilt, refocused, and prepared for growth in a way that would transform their shop and eventually the entire NAPA Auto Care network.
We were looking for technicians just like anyone else. We had introduced an apprenticeship program. So we put together a program and we relied really heavily on NAPA's training, what they had available. So we told our apprentices that they would need to go to the NAPA Auto Tech training in the evenings, and they would have to do a lot of online training on the NAPA website, things like that. And eventually that caught the attention of NAPA corporate, and they said, you know, is this something that we could adapt to work in shops around the country, and determined that they could. And so that's when the NAPA apprenticeship went broad scale or large scale around the country.
What started in one shop became a nationwide model. A solution built out of necessity became a pathway for thousands of new technicians across the country.
Things had to adapt a little bit. There were things we had built just for ourselves, and they said, hey, we need to offer this to everybody. But we were able to work through those speed bumps and launch that thing nationally. And it's pretty humbling. It's pretty cool. You know, you go to different training events or something and people will come up and tell you, hey, I'm in the apprenticeship program. I've watched videos with you training or, you know, teaching different things, and it's pretty cool to see that. Of course, my end goal is the more we have going through these programs, the more technicians are out there, the less vacant bays there are, and it makes it easier for us. So it's a selfish goal in the end. I'm trying to build technicians so that it's easier for me to find the right people, build the right people that stay in our shop, but also, you know, if our industry doesn't figure out this problem sooner than later, somebody will. In 2019, I was given the NAPA ASE Technician of the Year award, which was a really cool experience. They treat you like royalty, send you off to a race, you get to go to a bunch of different events and everything. It's a really fun time. In 2020, we were awarded the NAPA Shop of the Year, which is really cool because it takes everybody.
Awards tell the story, but so does the culture behind them. McNeil's has built its success on people, training, and a partnership with NAPA that empowers them to grow the right way.
We've got great ownership here, great management, but phenomenal employees that show up every day, give it their best, really make sure that we're giving our customer the best quality repair that we can.
From building technicians to building trust, McNeil's shows what the future of auto repair looks like, driven by innovation, strengthened by people, and supported by true NAPA know-how.
I've worked here at McNeil's for 19 years now. It's been a long time because I enjoy who I work for. I enjoy the shop, the people that I work with. Probably the thing I enjoy most about what I do would be training, and that's really been what I enjoy most, is learning and just trying to stay ahead of everything.